And I use them a lot for people that say, oh, I can't, there's nothing out there. I just can't. I had a brother that used to tell me that all the time too. Right. So I brought him down here. Look, he's been on meth for 15 years. Man, I know what his problem is. He likes to smoke meth and play video games and instead of going to work. So anyway, I said, well, come on out here. And I brought him and his wife. I brought my nephew and his girlfriend, all of them out here, moved them out to my house. And look, what I'm going to do is get you a little apartment in town. I'm going to pay $1,200 a month. You're all four going to live there. It's a 2 bedroom, so you're good. And I'm going to pay the bills for the first month. Right. And that's it. After that, you're on your own with it, but I'm going to give you a job to where you're going to make plenty of money to do that if you go to work. So what I did is I went and I rented a commercial refrigerator, right, from just restaurant supply. Had them drop it off in my backyard. It's about $280 a week, right? Because it's a weekly rental. Anyhow, went to the roseemporium.com and ordered 2,000 long